Realism. It often looks like magic, like there is some kind of secret behind it, something only a few people are born with. When people see a realistic drawing, the first thing they often say is, "I wish I could draw like that, but I have no talent." But it's not about talent at all. Realism is a skill. It's a practice, a craft. Something that grows through observation, patience, and trust in the process. To draw realistically, you don't need to be fast or flawless. With charcoal, I never rush. I let each area build up slowly. And most often, the most powerful part of the drawing isn't the detailed texture or the finely rendered lines. It's the values, the depth, built layer by layer growth with your patience and care. That's when the drawing begins to breathe. Not because it's technically perfect, but because it carries your presence. People often assume that realism is about precision, about copying something exactly as it is with complete control. But to me, that's not the case. At least that's not the essence of it. And please don't get me wrong, I love exploring techniques. I think that you can see that in my content, that I love pushing how precise a simple pencil can be. But in the end, that kind of precision plays only a small part in creating the illusion of reality. What makes something feel real isn't perfection. Take this brow, for example. We're not just drawing lines. It's not a bunch of lines. We're drawing direction, rhythm, flow. Realism lives in how naturally each line flows and how it feels, how naturally it feels. That's what brings the drawing to life. If you're learning realism, allow yourself to slow down, not only in the process of drawing a single piece, but also how gently you approach your own growth over time. Give yourself permission to make mistakes, to observe more than you draw. Enjoy the quiet blank space you're slowly filling up with something made out of nothing. That's just such a great feeling. The final image will unfold gradually in its own time and in your own time. It's not about talent. It's about returning to the drawing again and again and trusting that what you give to the drawing will find its back to you. If you'd like to see the full step-by-step tutorial on how I drew this eye and brow from the beginning to the finest details, you can find the full tutorial on my Patreon. I've shared every stage of the process there, so you can join the community. That would be great. And also thank you for being here. See you soon, and until then, take your time and keep drawing. Bye.